Welcome back to another episode of Easy Peasy Labeling with me, Melissa. Have you ever made a label that has a consistent void throughout the whole label like this here? Well, if you have, maybe you know this, maybe you don't, that means it's time to clean your printhead. Probably past time to clean your printhead. So today I want to show you how to do that, and as you guessed, it's easy peasy. Yay! So easiest way to do it is if you have one of our head cleaning cartridges. Now this is the part number is 236HC, so as the 36 indicates, this is a 1.5 inch tape. So it will only fit in the printers that use the 1.5 inch. So you're going to be the PX900, the 800, and then the older Pearl Label 360. So if you have one of those three printers, you can use the head cleaning cartridge. They're good for 100 uses. It's really handy. So have it on hand. I recommend that you do this before you're getting ready to do a big print job or something like that. It's really helpful to do that. But just like any of our other cartridges, we're going to go ahead and just pop it in. And then to use it, all you do is actually just feed the tape. So I'm going to hit the feed button. I don't even need to cut it. So we're just going to do tape feed. There you go. Nothing comes out because it's just going to wrap itself back up in there. So you're good to go now. Maybe. There we go. Okay, so that would be the easiest way to do that if you have the 1.5 inch capable printers. If not, the second thing that you can do, or if you need a little bit more of a deep clean on the printer, is to use rubbing alcohol and a cotton swab or something equivalent. So I've got mine here, label of course, your safety labels. And then to do that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and just get the cotton swab a little wet. And what I want to show you in here is the in the print head here. This is your print head. You can see kind of the copper and green elements. Anything from the copper forward is what you can go ahead and wipe down. You'll notice my printer also has some debris inside of it, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe that as well. So we'll just give that a quick wipe down. Good. All right, and then you can use this to clean, you know, any of the keys or anything like that if yours is as dirty as mine. I was on a job site with a customer yesterday, so it's got a little dirty. So clean it up, give it a second to dry, put your tape back in, and you know what I'm gonna say, right? Easy peasy. And you'll see now, it's like magic, see? Now our label is clean. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Easy Peasy Labeling. If you have questions, comments, please leave them below. Shoot us an email, drop us a line, live chat with us. Please subscribe and check back for another video. Thanks.